since I am working, I have to speak with clients almost daily, and those clients are strangers to me. Now, this program has helped me to speak with clients fluently and effectively. And now, a thought of speaking on phone doesn't scare me anymore.
I work as a food technologist for almost 6 years now, and I have completed masters in food technology, and henceforth I'm working as a food technologist. And the reason that I'm here is that I want to upgrade my life in general, and I also have to talk to clients almost daily, and they should help me to handle the clients. This should help me in my career as well.
ओके ओके ओके, तो आपने इसके पहले कुछ ट्रेनिंग वगैरह लिया है कैसे?
नहीं नहीं कुछ
ये
नहीं.
फर्स्ट टाइम है आपका?
Yes.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू.
Hi friends, my name is Rasika and I am from Mumbai. I am making this video to share my experience about the 28 days batch training program offered by Ankush Pare. So I have successfully completed the 28 days batch training program, and I certainly see a huge difference in myself. The first difference that I observed is earlier I used to be very anxious or nervous to face any situation, but now the belly breathing, which is one of the technique being taught on this program, has helped me to stay calm and peaceful and face any situation. So in general, now my mind is at peace and I can speak anywhere and everywhere very fluently. The second thing that I observed is earlier I used to be scared to speak with anyone on phone, and hence speaking on a phone call is not an area of concern for me anymore. So definitely I see a lot of difference in myself on that front, and it has certainly helped me in my professional life. And the third thing is that I had problem with certain vowels. I mean the words though that starts with vowels, that is A, E, O, U and I. So just opening the mouth effectively, I can speak those words. So that was a really simpler technique, but that was being taught in this program, and that helped me to solve my issue to pronounce any word which starts with vowel. In general, this program has boosted up my confidence, and now I can face any situation in life very confidently, and I can speak there very fluently and effectively. I would like to share a message to those who are watching this video and thinking about whether to join this program or not. Just go for it. Don't think too much. Trust me, you will see a huge difference in yourself. I'm sure that stammering is a major hurdle in everyone's life, whether it is personal or professional. At least in my life, I observed that I had stuck at one level and I was not growing further in my professional life. But now it's no more. I mean, now I feel that my life is very simpler because I don't have a major challenge in my life. I can be anyone that I want. Nothing stops me from achieving my goal, or nothing stops me from working on a path that I wish to. So trust me, if you overcome stammering, your life will be much simpler, because stammering is one of the major concern or one of the major hurdle that holds us back from doing something. So wish you a very all the best and good luck. Bye.